Go ahead.
Okay, take this stem here. I cut a short piece off of the end. You're going to see inside they have these little packages of these orifices. Right here I'm using an R404A gas on this unit, this particular unit. This one here is a medium temp 404A, so I'm using the one that says 404A. If you're doing a freezer, you're going to have to look, and they'll have a 404A medium temp and a 404A low temp. Just look at the tag, it tells you right on the tag which one it's for. Like this particular unit, this one, I'm using the white tag. You'll see on it, it says 404A, and you'll see the device. So basically what I got to do is take this little orifice out. You can see it there. This gets inserted in here. Now sometimes the hole needs to be widened out a little bit because this won't drop in. So all I do is I take the screwdriver and I go in and I just roll around just to widen the edge. And I'm just going to do a little bit more over here. It's just right. This is always a pain in the butt. Put this piece in. Julio, do you have that other one in there? Now, the quarter, that little nut driver that I usually use. Almost got it. No, nut driver. There it goes. You drop it, and you push it all the way till it bottoms out.
I gotta turn it on.